Pain can be a powerful thing. It can create a sense of helplessness, disconnection, and despair. However, with the right tools, pain and illness can transform into something positive. In this video, we will explore how reframing pain and connecting to the divine can be potent for healing, transformation, and well-being.
We will look at steps to move out of the past and into the future. Transition from old habits to new ones with meditation, and establish a spiritual connection with the divine. By the end of this video, you will have the tools you need to unlock the power of reframing pain and connecting to the divine.
Navigating the neurochemical changes that occur through chronic pain and illness can often be difficult and confusing.
This process of transition requires different medications or remedies to work through the flux, which can be overwhelming for those going through it. However, this period of change does not have to remain a mystery. People undergoing these changes can have profound inner events, rise to a higher level of consciousness,
and begin their healing process, even if they do not understand why it is happening.
The journey towards healing is never linear. It is full of ups and downs as well as moments when we need to adjust our strategies or methods in order to keep progressing along the path.
Creative visualization techniques such as moving the needle may help with getting positive results from tests,
leading to adjustments made in medication dosages by doctors, accordingly due to observed improvements in patient health conditions over time.
It is also worth noting that while science provides us with valuable tools on how best to approach physical healing, there is more than just medicine involved. Spirituality plays an important role too. Connecting with one's divine self can give insight into how energy flows within our bodies,
allowing us to understand what we need at any given moment on our journey towards transformation and wellness.
Whether that means changing up medications or trying something completely new like mindfulness or spiritual practices like yoga or meditation.
Taking time for yourself during this process will help you better connect with your body so that you can listen for its cues about which course of action works best for your unique situation moving forward. Steps to move out of the past and into the future.
Are you feeling stuck in the past and in need of a new way to move forward? Reframe your pain and connect to the divine to heal and transform your life.
Follow a practical, step-by-step approach to unlocking this power for yourself. The first step is to rewire your brain by engaging in mindfulness exercises like meditation or yoga.
These activities create new neural pathways that shift your mental perspective away from the past and toward the potential of the future.
Additionally, emotionally condition your body by paying attention to symptoms such as pain, sleeping patterns, or senses over time. This provides crucial feedback on progress made. The second step involves consistent self-regulation techniques, like journaling or visualization exercises. Over time, these efforts will reorganize states leading to physical change in the body. When progress is noticed, celebrate it and stay focused on further progress towards health goals. It can be challenging, but when change is noticed, it can be a defining moment. Feelings of dread turn into excitement for further progress, motivating continued effort towards health goals. Take care of yourself throughout this process. Rest when needed, and surround yourself with positive people who support your journey to wellness. With mindful effort put into practice each day, unlock transformation that lasts, moving you out of the past and into an empowered future filled with hope and joy. Meditation can be an incredibly powerful tool in accomplishing this.
Through meditation, individuals can access the ability to reframe pain and connect with the divine, thereby allowing them to break free from past programming and reach a new sense of self.
Creating a shift in energy is essential before experiencing any noticeable physical transformations. This is why forming habits such as walking meditation and standing meditation is crucial when
transitioning from old to new. By devoting time to these practices, your body will eventually catch up with your mind and reap the benefits of consistency. Unhappiness can manifest through a person's posture, chemistry, and gait. But meditation can help individuals overcome these fears by allowing them to step into an unknown future self that is more spiritually and emotionally connected. This can lead to transformation that nurtures spiritual growth and well-being on all levels: emotional, mental, and physical. By incorporating meditation into your daily routine as you transition from old habits to new ones, you will emerge feeling grounded and connect with yourself on a much deeper level. There's no need to wait. Start your journey towards renewal today with meditation. Processing pain. How to retrain yourself and take control.
Pain is a type of conditioning that can make us more alert to our surroundings, but it can also be overwhelming and leave us feeling stuck in the present.
However, if we step out of our comfort zones and deal with the pain, we can experience growth and healing. Remaining present and focused is important during this process. Retraining our thoughts and reactions can help when coping with pain. Taking breaks from the experience through activities like eating or drinking coffee or even taking a shower is also helpful. Mindful practices like meditation and connecting with our inner selves can reset our expectations and help us unlock deeper levels of healing. In short, taking the time to process pain while reclaiming control over our thoughts can change our lives. Reframing pain helps us understand ourselves better and create lasting peace on physical, mental, and spiritual levels. It's time to unlock your inner power and unleash the divine creative force within you. We all have the capacity for healing, transformation, and spiritual growth.
But how do we access it? The answer lies in understanding that our will is greater than any programs or patterns of behavior in which we may find ourselves stuck. When we surrender to this truth,
our energy is liberated, allowing us to push ourselves further than we think possible. Acknowledging that there is a loving intelligence at work in our lives opens up the possibility of creating something new through changing our own energy. This divine creative force can help us reframe pain, make mindful choices, and find spiritual well-being. Engaging with this creative force requires giving it our full attention, just as if planning a date with a lover or making time for someone important to us. So, if you're feeling stuck or disconnected from your inner core, try connecting with this real prima materia by taking some quiet time alone, free of distractions or negative thoughts lingering behind. Give yourself permission to explore what lies beyond your comfort zone and see what unfolds. How to establish a spiritual connection with the divine.
Creating a spiritual relationship with something greater than yourself is an amazing journey. It can provide healing, transformation, and well-being. Here are some tips on how to unlock the power of reframing pain and connecting to the divine.
Disconnect from any distractions and dedicate your time and attention to developing this relationship with a higher intelligence. Be willing to commit yourself fully and be present when making this connection. Do not approach it grudgingly or asking for things.
Allow yourself time each day for contemplation so that your mind can be still enough to bridge your body and spirit together to connect with the divine.
It is essential not to force it. Let it come naturally as both parties get in tune with each other's energy fields. Remember that you have power within yourself. Don't let anyone or anything take away from your efforts to grow spiritually. Be mindful of how far along in your journey you have come by practicing mindfulness techniques such as meditation or yoga. These techniques will help build awareness about what's going on within you physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. Even during times of difficulty or turbulence,
you can still feel connected with something larger than ourselves.
Doing this will bring more clarity into our lives, enabling us to make better decisions while creating a more fulfilling life experience overall.
Unlock the power of reframing pain and connecting to the divine. Take some time out of each day to dedicate solely to yourself, whether through meditation, yoga, or prayer.
Create a space where you can relax without distractions to connect with yourself. Another way to unlock your potential is to complete inspirational quotes or mantras daily, improving focus and motivation. Remember, we all have the power within. By understanding the quantum field response system and continually improving ourselves spiritually,
we can shape our own destiny. So friends, reframing pain and connecting to the divine are powerful tools for healing, transformation, and well-being.
Through mindful practices such as meditation and creative visualization, we can move away from the past and create a better future by rewiring our brains, emotionally conditioning our bodies, transitioning from old habits to new ones with meditation, and taking time for ourselves to listen for cues on which course of action works best for our unique situation moving forward.
Unleashing the divine creative force within us can help us find peace on physical, mental, and spiritual levels.
Unlocking this power is an essential step towards reclaiming control over our thoughts and creating lasting peace in our lives.
Please hit the like button if you liked our video. Show your love in the comment box. Also, please subscribe our channel for such informative videos on manifestation.
Thanks for watching. God bless you.